is Srinivas Reddy, IIT Mathematics. Project topic is complex numbers. Objective. Right, next question. If alpha beta are the roots of, if alpha comma beta are the roots of x square minus root 2x plus 2 is equal to 0, then alpha power 14 plus beta power 14 is equal to dash. JEE 2023. If alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, given that alpha comma beta are the roots of x square minus root x plus 2 is equal to 0. Root x is equal to 0. Here a value is equal to 1, b value is equal to minus root 2, c value is equal to 2. Comparing the given quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a value is equal to 1, b value is equal to minus root 2, c value is equal to 2. Alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. So sum of the roots is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, that is equal to minus of minus root 2 by 1, that is equal to root 2. Product of the roots is equal to alpha beta c by a. C by a. Here c value is equal to 2, a value is equal to 1, that is equal to 2. By using the formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By using this formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here x is equal to b value is equal to minus root 2 minus or minus root 2 plus root 2 plus or minus b square means minus root 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square 4 into here a value is equal to 1 and c value is equal to 2 by 2a. This is root 2 plus or minus root 2 whole square is equal to 2 minus 4 into 2 8 by 2 into a value is equal to 1. Root 2 plus or minus root of minus 6 by 2. Root 2 plus or minus here I square is equal to minus 1. Minus 6 I square by 2. Therefore, x is equal to root 2 plus or minus I root 6 by 2. Take the common root 3 or root 2. 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. X values are root 2 into 1 minus I root 3, 1 minus I root 3 by 2, root 2 into 1 plus I root 3 by 2. We know that 1 minus I root 3 by 2 is equal to minus omega square. 1 plus I root 3 by 2 is equal to minus omega. Here alpha is equal to minus 2 root 2 omega minus 2 root 2 omega and beta is equal to minus root 2 omega square. Now alpha power 14, beta power 14 is equal to minus root 2 omega whole power 14 plus minus root 2 omega square whole power 14. that is equal root 2 power 14 into omega power 14 plus omega power 28. That is equal to 2 power 14 by 2 omega cube, since omega cube is equal to 1. Now the value of omega power 14 is equal to omega cube into whole power 4 into omega square. Omega cube is equal to 1, that is equal to omega square. Omega power 28 value is equal to omega cube whole power 8 into omega. Omega cube value is equal to 1. The value of omega cube is equal to 1, that is equal to omega. Substitute the values of omega power 14 is equal to omega square. Omega power 28 is equal to omega. That is equal to cancel 2 power 7. We know that omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1. Because omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0. That is equal to minus 1. Minus 128. Minus 128.